Check it out, man. Check it out. What are the odds? Finding another third gen F-body convertible. Yeah. Don't pay no mind to the telephone numbers up there. They don't belong to them no more. It belongs to the yard. 1989 Trans Am says up there. And it's a convertible. Is she hurting? She's hurting. Yeah. Yeah. I'll close this door. Yep, they were selling it. And then I guess they said, screw it. Y'all see that VIN? Under the nothing in here. No RPO codes there. She's got drums in the back. Front end there. The glass is, oh, it's cracked over there. That glass is gone too. That top, better shape than that last one. Get some eBay boys and come over here, boy. Them eBay dudes. They'd love to get this one. But I can tell you right now, this ain't no pick and pull. This ain't no pick and pull prices, man. No, no, no. This yard, they don't play games. No, they do not. It really depends on who you get back there, man. It does. It does, because, you know, aluminum. I always try to find the aluminum spare. Use it as spare for my car. I don't have one of these, but you know, you could use them. You know, like I said, another GM with a small bolt pattern. Yeah, I'm not messing with that. I don't know what happened to the RPO codes, man. Oh crap! They gave it away for free after all. Damn it! Some people have all the luck. Some junkyards have all the luck. Yeah, let's go. Well, can I open the other side? There it is. Go around the other way. Real quick, real quick. Door panel. Door closes good though. Oh man, you can see the fire chicken there, man. I can't really see much there. I don't know if I can really see that. We're just gonna go with it's a 91 is what they said. Right? 90? No, 89. Sorry, 89. 89. Mileage for you. Now, the one thing, you know, if this was in a pick and pull yard, man, the top would be tempting, man, but I'm not into shipping big, large stuff like this, man. I mean, you know, I'm pretty sure this thing's in decent shape, probably, you know, way better than the last one, looks like it. So, like I said, for the pick and pull yard, yeah, you can, but who knows what these people would want to charge you for this top, you know. I said the vinyl, the actual fabric's at, you know, outside of this over here. But I tell you, man, another thing that freaking survived is this damn dash pad. You know, this freaking dash pad survived without a crack. It's freaking unheard of, man. I mean, I found another one on a Camaro, you know, but yeah, no cracks on this dash that I found. And I pulled it out already, you know. It only had 2 screws on there. You know, the funny thing is, right, they purchased this. This isn't the original one of this car. Pretty sure anyways, because I can pull this thing out just a little bit. I don't know, can y'all make that out? See what that says there? LKQ. They bought this from LKQ. Yeah. So my dilemma is, I'll tell you, that doesn't matter to me, man. I was hoping to be a little cheap. They want $100 for this damn dash pad. Man, Pick and Pull, I think I paid $30 for the other one. I don't know, man, $100. People lowball you online. They want to sell it. They want you to sell it to them for $150. I don't know. We'll see. We'll see. But yeah. Anyways, there's the rest of it, man. Yeah. I'll see what they want for it. Well, that's gonna do it here, man. That's gonna do it. Yeah. Take a quick look for you. Got a flow master. I don't know how much you can actually see of it. I can't see much myself. That's it, man. I'll part it out for a little bit and then scrap it. Then crush it like all the rest. So, all right, man. On to the next one.